This is what a Trust Wallet account looks like. But if you don't have one already, don't worry, because in this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can download the Trust Wallet app, create an account, and verify your account for free on your mobile phone, like on any device, iPhone, Android. You can do that. So let's get in as I show you exactly how to do that. Okay guys, so here am I on my phone. So I'm going to go to my Play Store. So click on Play Store. When I get to my Play Store, I'm going to click on the search icon up on top of the page, and I'm going to search for Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. Click on Trust Wallet, and it's going to open the Trust Wallet page that looks like this. Click on Install. Okay, and it's installing. And while the app is installing, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, because in my subsequent videos I'll be showing you how to make money online using apps, websites, strategies, all things that works about making money online. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, like this video and share it. Now that the app has finished installing, click on Enable and click on Open. It's going to open the interface that looks like this, where it says private and secure. Private keys never leave your device. Get started. Click on Get Started. It's going to ask, I already have a wallet or I don't have a wallet. So because we are newbies, we are beginners, we are going to click on I don't have a wallet. So we'll start from scratch to create a wallet with Trust Wallet. So click on that. It's going to ask us to create a password. So I'm going to create my password real quick. It's going to ask me to confirm the password, so I'll confirm it. Print. Okay. You're going to ask you secret phrase backup. Okay. Backup to Google Drive. Here I'm going to back up to Google Drive. I'm going to be using my Google account is this first one. Okay, once it opens this page, I'm going to click on my Google account once again. So let's explore your new wallet. No dirty old receipts and half-filled coffee. Royalty cards in here. Okay, so let's wait for it to load up. It's loading. Say buy crypto. Buy instantly via cards to start getting the most out of your new wallet. Do we need to buy wallet right now? No. Let's wait. Deposit NFTs. Store all of your NFTs here. Okay, not this. Let's click on the X arrow on the top of the page to exit this page. Okay, let's wait for it to load to finish loading. Okay, push notifications. Stay up to date, enable to receive notifications for incoming and outgoing transactions. Okay, I'm going to click on enable. No, let's not do that. I'll X out. And now our account has been created, our wallet has been created on Trust Wallet. It says secure your asset backup wallet now. Okay, so if you want to make your account secure, you can back up this wallet, but now you can see that our account has been created and my balance says $0.00, main wallet 1. So this is how to create your wallet on Trust Wallet. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification and share this video. Thank you for watching.